Good morning students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all have revised different functions, organs and disorders of digestive system. Today I am going to discuss next two organ systems. These are excretory system and respiratory system. Now open your book on page 52 and let's start reading. Excretory system. Our body produces some waste materials which are toxic. Underline word toxic and write its meaning harmful. Now come along. Therefore, they should be removed from the body from time to time. The excretory system removes them. The process of removal of waste from the body is called excretion. Underline word removal and write its meaning taking away. Now come along. The kidneys, lungs and skin help to remove waste. Students, your body needs water to survive. And if you will not drink properly, your cells would not be able to keep functioning. But you know tap water is not good for your health. Before you fill up your glass, the water must be filtered to remove impurities that could harm you. In the same way, your body has a filtration system. This is called excretory system. And children, excretory system is composed of kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. Now come to the next page. Kidneys filter the blood and make urine. Urine is then removed from the body. Underline word urine and write its meaning liquid waste produced by the kidneys. Students, the kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. They are the blood filters and they are responsible for removing waste and extra water that your body does not need from your blood. Now come along. Lungs breathe out carbon dioxide. Students, the lungs are like soft and spongy bag-like structure. They are located in the chest cavity and they help to throw out carbon dioxide from our body. And the last is skin helps to remove excess water and salt in the form of sweat. Underline word excess and write its meaning extra. Now underline word sweat and write its meaning waste excreted from the skin. Students, on hot days, you must notice that your body excretes extra salt and water. And student, this is called as sweat. Now students, I hope you all will be able to label the different organs of excretory system. Now, number 1, kidneys. These are the bean-shaped structure. Number 2, ureters. These are the tubes which connect kidneys and urinary bladder. Number 3 is urinary bladder, in which urine is collected. And the last is urethra. This is lower opening of the urinary bladder. Students, we should take 3 to 4 liters water every day. Otherwise, kidney disorder may happen, like kidney stones or kidney failure. And you know, in these disorders, our kidneys do not function properly. Now come along. Next system is respiratory system. Now let's read. We all breathe in air with the help of respiratory system. Lungs are the main organs of respiratory system. Lungs help to take in air rich in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide from the body. Students, lungs are the main respiratory organs in our body. They are a pair of spongy, elastic and bag-like structure. When we breathe in, the lungs get filled with fresh air, and this air is taken by blood to all parts of the body, and the used air is then given back to lungs. Now come along. While breathing, put your hand below your nostrils. Do you feel air coming out? Underline word nostrils and write its meaning, openings in the nose. Students, we breathe through nose or nostrils. The nostrils contain hair. These hair trap dust particles and germs and send clean air for respiration. So we should always breathe through our nose only. Now come along. When we breathe in, air enters our body through the nose, and from the nose, air goes into the windpipe and then into the lungs. Students, we breathe in through the nostrils of our nose or sometimes mouth. Air passes through the windpipe to the lungs, and then the lungs take this oxygen and return carbon dioxide, which goes out of the body through the same route. Now students, I hope you all will be able to label the different organs of respiratory system. Number 1 is nose. Number 2 is windpipe. It is a tube-like structure. It carries air from the nasal passage to the lungs. Number 3, lungs. Students, when we breathe in air, sometimes the germs present in air enter into the respiratory tract and cause various allergic diseases like asthma and common cold. Asthma means difficulty in breathing, and common cold results in fever, running nose, headache reddening of eyes. Now students, I am going to discuss both the organ systems with their organs, functions and diseases or disorders. Number 1. Excretory system. Organs of excretory system are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. And the function of excretory system is it helps to remove liquid waste, that is urine, from our body. And the disorders are kidney stones and kidney failure. Number 2. Respiratory system. Organs of respiratory system are nose, windpipe and lungs. And the function of respiratory system is it helps to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And the disorders are asthma and common cold. Now let's revise. Number 1. How do lungs remove waste out of the body? Blood takes up oxygen from air in the lungs and throw out carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs. Number 2. Why should we not cover our face while sleeping? We should not cover our face while sleeping as we would not get proper oxygen. And the last is name the 3 wastes thrown out of the human body. Urine, carbon dioxide and sweat are the wastes thrown out of the human body. Students, tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter, revise chart and questions, and also write the chart on your copy. Thank you.